All right, my people, here's another one. This time it's for my Hoover Elite, my 8 amp. This is a Hoover Deluxe top fill bag system one. It's one of the Kmart ones with the little orange stripe down the bag or in the middle of the bag. I've always liked how they did the dark blue with the sky blue with the baby blue. I thought that was cool. This is one of the basic ones, meaning there was no cutout for holes and attachments. Let's go ahead and run her. Man, what's smoother than a Hoover? Yeah, boy. Go ahead, watch, like, and subscribe. It's your boy Kevin Love, and I'm out. Peace.